And today we're celebrating the first birthday of Adeline here at Jollibee. Kaya naman this time, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the main host together with Mommy Tom. Daddy Chat, give it up for our birthday girl, Adeline! Yes, hello! Welcome sa Jollibee Preparado kung saan always kita kasaya. Okay, kaya naman this time, sabay-sabay natin kakantahan ng isang malakas at masayang birthday sa ating birthday girl. And 1, 2, 3, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes, hindi tayo mas malakas at may palakpakan. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes, and this time in the count of 3, everybody shout happy birthday, Adeline. And 1, 2, 3, everybody shout happy birthday, Adeline. Yes, happy birthday, Adeline. And 3, and everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes, and this time, mas malakas at mas masaya. Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday to you. Yes, and this time, in the count of 3, everybody shout happy birthday, Adeline. And 1, 2, 3, everybody shout happy birthday, Adeline. Yes, happy birthday na Pars bago na daw ang kanyang first birthday candle. Pakinggan muna natin ang birthday wish ni Mommy and Daddy para sa ating birthday girl. And dahil ladies first, unahin natin si Daddy. Ayan si Daddy.
Naghiwalay ka ba?
Sige, ako na lang magbibig. I mean,
Baby, ang wish ni Mama sa'yo is sana, alam ko naman na strong ka. Simula pag sila mo na, strong ka na. So, alam ko, yeah, you're a very brave girl. So, ang wish ko, sana lumaki ka mo rin mabuting tao, mapagmahal ng anak, sa magulang at higit sa lahat. Laging sumusunod sa amin, sa mga guidance namin at lumaki ka may takot sa iyo.
Yes, palapakan naman natin si Mommy. Of course, ayan si Daddy ko. Ikaw, sabi face na lang. Okay, kaya this time in the count of 3, yung London Adeline ang kanyang first birthday candles. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and light your candle!